Hey, welcome back to Donald Miller's Electrical Services. So we started this rewire, and now we are finding knob and tube, or we're finding what we can keep. And this is normal for these rewires. This is why knob and tube homes can be so dangerous. It's not necessarily just the knob and tube. It's what people have done to the knob and tube over the years. All right, so here we go. So this is a panel wall. Okay, and you're thinking, look, hey, there's Romex in that box, and there's Romex in that box. Well, so let's see where this Romex goes. Oh, remove the panel board. Let's see if I can get some light on here. All right. So again, here's the Romex, and I'm getting into position, and look what the Romex is doing. Huh? See that? See if I can get a better light angle on that. That is Romex connected onto the knob and tube in the wall. So once again, this is why knob and tube homes are dangerous. It's not just the knob and tube that makes it dangerous. It's the contractors that have worked in a knob and tube house over the last 40 years. Okay, not every contractor is ethical. Not every contract has any type of morality. Okay, they just come in here and they're making as much money as they can. And that's just the cold, hard truth about some of them. All right, so just be weary. If you're going to buy a knob and tube home, make sure you trust your electrician to give you an honest opinion of the home. Thanks for watching Donald Miller's Electrical Services. Have a good day.